Here we are a multinational organization, and our businesses report to us the early sales in a summarized manner in their respective local currencies. Malaysian sales are listed in ringgit, UK sales are listed in pounds, Great Britain pounds, and the European sales are listed in euros. Now, from the head office, we need to compute the sales value in our local currency, that is INR, Indian rupees. We have the conversion rate for each of the currencies up here. Yeah. We assume that this is the best fit rate for the currencies across the year. Okay, we do not complicate much. Okay. Now the requirement is to find out the INR value of sales each month and in each segment with a condition. The condition is that we need to draft a formula only once and copy paste it to the other cells. You cannot enter formula in each and every other cell, right? Yeah. So the basic conversion goes like this. We will start the formula in the cell G6. So the formula here should be equal to B6 into B3. That is the January sales in ringgit into the conversion rate of the ringgit. The result is correct, but whether this is sufficient? Huh? No. Let us see why. Copy and paste the formula in the next row and the next column. The value computed in the next column is right as it refers to the local currency pounds and multiplying it with the conversion rate of pound. Yeah, quite good. But you do not see any value in the next row. Why? Because the reference has changed from the conversion rate row to the next row, which contains no data. Technically, it is 0. Multiplying anything by 0 will be 0. So we understand that both of the arguments here cannot be in relative references. Now take the first argument, sales. This should vary for each cell. Therefore, it should be in relative reference. The second argument should be conversion rate of the respective currencies. Now the row 3 should be fixed because the conversion rates are available only in row 3. It is not available in the next row. So you need to fix the row 3. Now whether we need to fix column B reference. No, because I want the formula to refer the conversion rate of other currencies when I copy paste the formula in the next columns. So the second argument should be $3, a mixed reference where the row is fixed and the column changes. So nothing changes in the cell G6, the result is same. Okay. Now let us copy paste the formula to all the cells in this range. Yes, we got the right answers for all the months and all the regions. To practice using different cell references and understand how it works with more examples to get a grip over the referencing. Let's get more excitements from the next video. Thank you.